How can I update the firmware on my Xbox 360?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today we're going to discuss how to update the firmware on your Xbox 360. Updating the firmware can give you access to new features, increase security, and improve system performance. But remember, before you start, it's crucial to back up all important data, because the update process might erase some information.
What do you need before the update?
First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection, a USB flash drive with at least 2 GB free space if you plan to update offline.
How to update the firmware using internet connection?
1. Power up your Xbox 360 and connect it to the internet. 2. Navigate to the Settings tab on your Xbox dashboard and select System. 3. Select Network Settings, then choose your network. 4. Choose Test Xbox Live Connection and select Yes when asked if you want to update the system software. Your Xbox 360 will now download and install the firmware update.
How to update the firmware using a USB flash drive?
If you can't connect your Xbox 360 to the internet, you can update it using a USB flash drive. 1. Download the latest Xbox 360 update on your computer from the official Xbox website. 2. Copy the update file to your USB flash drive. 3. Plug the USB drive into your Xbox 360. 4. Restart the Xbox 360, and it should automatically recognize the update on the flash drive and initiate the update process. And there you have it. That's how you update the firmware on your Xbox 360, whether you're connected to the internet or not. Always keep your system updated to enjoy the best possible gaming experience. Stay safe, have fun, and game on!